That didn't work how I wanted to at all. Hey y'all, you're watching Bayou Bushcraft and Camping. My name is Andrew, and today we're going to be breaking down my poop kit. So just like first aid kits, poop kits are going to be tailored to the individual, and depending on how and where and why you are using the bathroom, you might want to modify your poop kit. But for backpacking and outdoor activities, this is the poop kit that I like to use. Of course, we got to start with our trowel so that we can dig our cat hole. You don't need a trowel this big, but this was the Sasquatch version, so you know I had to get this one. So this trowel has been awesome. It's the Deuce #3 from tentlab.com. And it's got a Sasquatch on it, which is the main reason why I bought it. But this is one of the bigger trowels, and this is great for digging into the dirt and breaking up those roots so you can make a nice cat hole. Beyond the trowel, for cleaning up your, you can use, of course, toilet paper. You could also bring these compressed towelettes, which you put a little bit of water on them and they expand quite large and they're biodegradable. But this is leaving a trace out in the woods beyond the trace that came from yourself. Not to mention, these are relatively heavy, and if the waterproof lid ever popped off and water got into here, every towel is not going to be really good to use. So what I like to do now is use the Culo Clean, which is really funny to say, but this is basically an outdoor bidet. You're going to put water in here and then you squirt it where it needs to go to clean yourself up. Afterwards, you can take this tiny eyedropper that I have Dr. Bronner's unscented soap. Only 2 or even 3 drops is plenty to wash your hands and your backside after you finish your business. And so you basically kind of take a mini shower after every session. And then of course you want to sanitize your hands afterwards. So having some hand sanitizer is going to be really nice to have, especially after you just washed certain areas. I also carry just a bag to keep everything in. It's got a nice loop on it and a hook on there. I could attach a carabiner or suspend it, or just simply hang it in the tree wherever I happen to be. If you really wanted to go super ultralight with your poop kit, you could just take these items. So you would have your water bottle that you use to drink out of, because the Culo Clean does fit onto your drinking bottle and it will function. But as far as having a bottle that you drink out of up near you know where, that's not really what I want to do. But if you need to be super ultralight, that is one way to do it, I guess. Ultralight poop kit, you can clean and sanitize your hands and your bum with the Dr. Bronner's. You've got your Culo Clean and then your trowel. All that together, we're going to be looking at 0.7 ounces. So that's not bad for an ultralight poop kit. I personally would add in the actual Culo Clean bottle so that you don't have to use your water bottle to rinse yourself. So let's see, if we add in the Culo Clean bottle, that's going to give us 38 grams, and then a little bit of hand sanitizer. We're looking at 1.7 ounces. Everything with the bag, we are looking at a poop kit of 67 grams or 2.6 ounces. And just to show you how heavy these compressed towelettes are, 0.4 ounces on their own. Put in the compressed towelettes into the ultimate poop kit. We're looking at 2.8 ounces or 84 grams, including the towelettes. So that's my poop kit. You've been watching Bayou Bushcraft and Camping. I hope you have a great day.